Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change Steam name. So actually guys, to do that you will need to launch your Steam and to sign into your account that you want to change the name on, and after that just go ahead and click on your account name and profile picture. So that's it, it's located on the top right, and after that just go ahead and click on view my profile option. Right then, everybody will have the option to edit your profile just right here. So everyone, as you can see, we have the profile name, the real name, and the custom URL. So for you, you will click on the profile name just right here and adjust it, for example, to another name. And also you can add the real name, that's optional, and the custom URL, so for example your profile's URL. And after that just go ahead, scroll down, we changed our profile name, then all we need to do is to go and click on save. So actually guys, the changes has been saved. As you can see, the name changed on my profile on Steam. And that's it everyone, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.